Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to change the language on iOS. First, what you need to do is go to the settings, which should be on your home screen, but if you can't find it here, all you need to do is go to all the way to the right, then click on App Library, then write Settings. After that, just click on General, go down, click on Language and Region, and here you can add a language, let's say French, and then click Use French. However, I'm not gonna do it because I don't know French and I don't need it as my primary language, but that's how you do it. I hope that helped you. It would be really great if you subscribe to our channel, and bye.